Oh, why would you do that? This might be the funniest game that I have ever played, and I have moments on CS2 where I thought I was gonna throw up from laughing so hard. Like, where else can you get moments like this?
Oh, that was a great boost. Thank you, whoever that was.
Yeah, it was.
Here, have another. Or this.
Oh,
They took the car. They took the car.
GTA 5 and Super Battle.
No worries, I got another one. Super Battle Golf honestly reminds me of two games that were pinnacles of my childhood, and as Andre, one of the players in this random lobby that I had an absolute blast playing in, put it,
This is Wii Sports Golf mixed with Mario Kart.
and I thought it'd be a nice shake-up from the normal CS2 content that comes out on this channel. On my old channel that I've repurposed as a second channel, I have just dropped a Mario Kart video, so I figured I'd go ahead and tell you guys to go watch that after you're done here. Anyways, with that being said, if you like what you see, please click that like and subscribe button as it would genuinely be appreciated, and I will see you guys later. Peace.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, why would you do that?
It's a bomb factory.
There's no way up there.
Ooh, I sniped the pin.
10 seconds remaining.
No. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Booyah!
Oh, nice.
Right.
Crazy
Saw
work.
the light.
Get me another beer. Fuck this.
Finish.
How y'all doing?
Terrible.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh shit! Oh why? Oh no no no! Oh no! I hit that way too hard.
Reggie.
Oh no! Oh!
Come on, get in the fucking hole. Dunk it in.
Oh,
Now!
Oh my gosh, you guys are.
Oh shit!
No.
Oh why?
No. No.
Ah, come on!
I looked it. No. Yippee.
I licked it again!
Go in!
Fuck!
Back.
4, 3, 2,
Excuse me.
1, go!
This is mine.
Ah! Why would you? Oh, why would you?
Oh, stop rolling!
Am I falling in the water? No. Totally went in.
Enjoy that.
Ooh.
Oh, I overshot that. I no.
Fuck. No.
Too hard.
We gotta get this shit, I swear.
Go! Okay.
Kapuya, that's a chip in. Oh no.
Oh, I did not mean to do that.
10 seconds remaining.
Oh, come on. Yes.
Okay. Please don't. Hope I don't land right behind a fucking pumpkin.
5, 4, 3, 2,
I'm gonna be Cinderella.
1, go!
Oh, that's in the water. How? Nice one, dude. Oh, why?
For the hole or dunk in.
There's no way.
Oh yeah,
Go ahead and try,
that's,
boys.
that was in until somebody blocked it.
Ah!
Oh, come on! I am as close to physically possible as getting in the hole.
10 seconds remaining.
Oh, who knocked my ball out the way? No, no.
Oh my fucking god!
I believe Zilla.
I'm going
Oh.
back to golfing! God damn it!
God damn it, bro. I was this close to making it. Hey, hey.
This is mine. This is mine. Ha ha!
Rubber Reggie. He's getting stronger.
Reggie.
Rubber Raggy.
Where are my rolls?
Oh, God.
She has an extra chromosome.
What have I started?
My stomach hurts, please.
What have I done? Oh. That was such a wild joke.
Like Scoob. My ball's in the fucking sand. Oh, son of a bitch.
No, no, no! No!
Zoinks.
No! Fuck!
Jinkies. My catchphrase would be fuck. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, don't go down.
10 seconds remaining.
No,
What do you mean a penalty stroke?
please.
Uh-huh.
Oh, fuck off.
Come on.
Time. 2, 1, go! Shot.
Like Zoink Scoob, I fucking
Oh
got
my
it.
gosh.
It scares it. You should totally take a
Holy
ride.
Jesus tits, man.
Jeez. Somebody's saving up their fucking rocket launchers. It's not cool, man.
Like here, I got a landmine.
Just got run over.
Oh, penalty stroke.
No!
10 seconds remaining.
Oh, owie. Why would you?
Bro.
Overtime.
Oh my god, I've only made it in once.
Oh, bro, somebody better make this hole in one.
If it was Gauntlet, I could do it.
Like Goon will. He made it
5,
one
4,
time.
3, 2, 1, go!
That should be it right there.
Overshot it.
That's in there.
That's in.
It's in there.
Holy one.
I made it! Oh shit, I made it!
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Let's
Jesus.
go. Fuck, I'm not recording!
Yeah, you gotta
Oh my
get your
God.
OBS set up, man.
Somebody else is streaming?
Nah, I'm recording on
Maybe.
OBS.
Oh, okay.
Get in there! Oh, you picked that ball.
But I record every game I play on OBS. Just in case I...
I
Good.
usually record and stream anytime I'm on, but
Oh, get in, get in!
Maybe
No!
I'll get. Oh, that.
Okay,
don't
who
get to make friends.
done air horned?
At least it lands on the green, right? Whoever fucked me up, it better land on the green.
No.
God, it did not.
You took my fucking car.
This does remind me of Wii Sports Golf, but you can fuck everybody up.
Damn it, Jekyll!
this is Wii Sports Golf mixed with Mario Kart.
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Battle Golf Esports win.
Oh, Howie Mandel.
No proof. You have no proof.
Why would you do that? I'm under the water.
I know I ain't got a lot of viewers. No, I'm just gonna let y'all hit those balls.
Oh, okay.
before I hit
No, no, please.
I don't trust-
Mercy,
I don't trust
mercy.
any of y'all.
Okay. All right.
Oh, I forgot that happens.
Oh, that was a great boost. Thank you, whoever that was.
Yeah, it was.
Here, have another.
Oh, Rob.
Hey, I want my
Here.
ball!
You want to ride?
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
Hold on.
Where's your ball?
Oh no, it's right here. Hold on.
All right. Same.
Oh, damn it.
Oh,
hey.
they took the car. They took the
GTA 5 and Super Battle.
No worries, I got another one.
car. Damn, he's got two. This economy.
Boing.
You know, one thing I like to do whenever someone sneezes, instead of saying bless you, I just say damn you. And I'll just
Damn
like to see
you.
the reaction.
Damn you.
Nice shot.
Nice cock.
Nice car. Oh, yeah. Oh, I swear to God, if you're in my fucking way, NB leaves. Oh, you are! Oh, wow! So that can be a fucking thing? Wow.
No.
Oh, come on, drip it. Hey, 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 hey. Fuck off.
Come on, Brown State.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah, don't fall in the hole, James.
I won't.
The fucking reset. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a third beer. How about 5?
Well, why am I panicking?
Brown State. Brown State,
I'm
no.
back.
I'm panicking.
Bruh.
Anakin, I'm panicking. I don't have a planikin.
What is Roach doing, bro?
Using way too many napkins.
What the fuck you do with flip?
Napkins is Bapkins. Uh-huh.
Rapping and
My
laughing.
full doors.
I
Oh,
don't
James,
care.
Yes.
no,
Oh,
James,
it's
come
daddy.
on.
Yes.
10 seconds.
I was about to say, I do not care, just as long as I get it in. Bong, boom.
How's everyone getting all the... Is everyone just saving coffee cups?
That, bro,
Everyone
that's
gets
literally
a
all I'm
booze at the
getting.
beginning?
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh.
Why are you doing
Oh
this?
no.
What in the hell?
I told you, Lumineer, get him out of here.
Yeah, get
Get
in
Lumineer
there.
out of here. Oh yeah, that's really easy to do. Like you can fly around and stuff if you have a cheat engine. I can show you guys if you look at me. Here, let me pull up cheat.
What?
Yeah, here, watch. You can turn.
Pulls it
You
up,
can just
I
turn on.
think.
Look, no, look. It's just fly because you can use cheat engine
Oh
to turn
fuck,
any of
he
this
is
shit on.
flying. What the fuck?
Yeah,
where?
Yeah, you can use.
Oh
cheat.
shit, I see him now.
What
So-
the fuck is flight engine?
If look
Or cheat
no,
engine.
It's cheat engine. It's an old cheat mod that you can just use for little small indie games.
What the
You
fuck?
can't
Hold on,
do
let me
like
get out your
aimbot
way,
or
bud.
anything like that. You can just kind of fly around, which is
People use it
cool.
for single player games to like give
Yeah,
themselves money and shit.
exactly. And you can actually give yourself money on here. That's why I got it.
Let's shoot her back.
Yep, get him.
Where's that?
Get him out of
Holy
here.
shit! How the fuck was that?
Someone's mother doesn't love them.
What the hell was that?
That's probably someone just buying hacks.
Oh fuck.
Well, imagine spending money on hacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
crazy for this game
Just get good.
in general.
I'm super battle golf.
Yeah, Super Battle Golf of all
I mean, I
games.
could understand like maybe if you coded it yourself and just to have fun, but yeah, buying is crazy.
Back to Call of Duty.
Booyah, that's a long putt.
Brother,
Holy
really?
shit.
Wow.
Someone's mother really does not love them.
Oh, watch out for
Fuck.
this rocky guy
I
that
overshot
joins. He's a
that
cheater,
like a
too.
motherfucker.
Server with like a J-dub, dude.
Yeah, is that you?
That was you? Oh my god.
Yeah, were you cheating?
Nah, bro, but I'm
Sorry.
being so real. They
I just
kept
had
getting
to.
me so many times, so I just gave up on winning and just focus
big
on
bird.
getting missiles.
Oh damn, that's crazy. Yeah, that was me, bro. Small world.
It was fun though.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, small world.
There we go. I'm sorry, Zilla.
I did get last place every time though.
Sure you are.
It was fun to do once.
Sure you are. I saw you lining it up. I was like, hear him.
Oh, I might be able to
Alright.
get a hole in one on this.
Sorry about this. Sorry.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's in. That's in.
Oh, I missed!
Oh!
On one.
Oh, let's go!
I gotta chug the rest of this beer.
I missed!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hold down fifth place.
You need a spanking.
What is Barry doing?
Mary's sunbathing.
He's chilling. He don't care about the golf. He's here for the vibes.
What the fuck, Barry?
Everyone went over here.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
He's going
God,
right back to
noob.
the rock, isn't he?
Yep.
He's going right
Yeah.
back. Yup.
Get that
Yup.
tan.
He's floating.
I'm gonna bust out that cheat engine again, boy.
I'm swimming.
Oh my god.
Is it from the same guy? Is it from the same guy?
Yeah, I just use
All
cheat
of his
engine.
items just
I just
in
use
this.
cheat engine to do that.
No, everything's at a
Gotta be
10%
only
chance.
goods and coffee.
I'm sorry.
I put everything at a 10% chance.
Boy.
Where
Where's
is
Barry?
Tofu's
Oh my
ball?
gosh, I'm so sorry, Barry.
It's all the way over there.
Nah, it's okay.
400 meters away from him.
Tofu
You got this, Barry.
What is Barry doing?
Barry, your ball's behind you.
I don't think Barry cares.
I'm
Let's
not
go
doing
hunt that
it anymore.
cactus. Barry has given up.
I feel so bad now.
Yo,
No,
we
I've
gotta let
given up
Barry
3 rounds
win.
ago.
Who is honking?
Dave fuck is honking.
Ow!
I'm under the water.
He's giving on to. Still made it. Oh my god. They're trying to kill me. Oh no, Dave. Dave! Oh my god! Ow.
Oh.
I live!
3, 2, 1, go!
Barry, you gonna find a spot to relapse?
No.
Barry's trying now.
Oh yeah, more coffee.
All I've been getting is the springy thingies.
Oh cool, sprinty thing.
Oh, that was perfect.
Yo, I might make it in time and not be 10th place.
Fuck. Fuck.
In for par with the penalty.
Yeah. Oh, I got it. It's actually 10th. Awesome.
I bet.
No. 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 God damn. I have to wait for it to roll in.
Hey,
That didn't help my face at all.
Alright, Samurai. That's a bet.
I'm in first. First place.
Alright,
What
bye
the
bye.
fuck? All the way to the spawn?
Bruh.
You're playing the June song.
I am a Jew.
Let's try a little bye bye.
Barry, what the fuck?
How the fuck did you even get up there?
How did you get up there, goddammit?
Dave fucks a fuck.
Michael! Ha! Take that penalty stroke, dummy. That's in. That's in. Oh! Bruh. Dave. Dave. Haha.
Oh, it's one of those fuckers.
Get fucked. Dave's mad at me. How'd you get up there, Barry? Get up there,
Barry,
Barry.
how's the view?
That's pretty good.
Barry's just watching the chaos.
Oh, wow. So if you dive on someone's ball, you can make it move. Oh, nice try, little boy.
10 seconds remaining.
I enough, Jimmy's mom.
Yeah.
2, 1, go!
Your Honor, my client, please. Oh, wow, Dave. You're salty, aren't you? Why?
Get the fuck in there. Oh.
That's a chip in if I've ever seen one.
10 seconds remaining.
Excuse me.
Big rock.
Peacock.
Yeah, hey, Hawk, what's up?
5, 4, 3, 2,
Super
1,
dog golf.
go! Nice shot.
It is. It's fucking weird.
Bambino, why?
Why would you hit me in the butt?
Oh, yeah.
Dave, fuck, why?
Dave's salty. Yeah, Dave's mad at me.
So why is he hitting me?
I don't know. But I made him off, or I pissed him off earlier. Aye. Zilla away. Oh well, I deserve it after what I did to you earlier. Here.
Oh, yeah, indeed. God damn it! Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll get out your way, Morgana.
Get in, bounce in. Ah!
Dave's mad at me.
Come on, James Brown.
Don't worry, I got this. Pow. Little Bri-Bri, you a
crap.
bitch.
Nice shot.
Ooh. Oh shit.
Yeah, got a good chip in, yeah.
Barry, no.
Barry.
Where's your ball?
10 seconds
No.
remaining.
Oh,
Excuse me.
no! You're
You know
right.
what?
She's like, fuck it.
I can't even do it.
Overtime.
Overtime. For the love of God, don't put me next to Dave.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
fucking knew it! Yeah, I'll take 5th place.
Dave.
Oh, right.
Come on, James Brown. There you go.
Oh my god.
Barry,
Barry,
what
how's
the fuck?
Getting some good sun, huh?
Oh damn. That's actually a prime sunbathing spot.
And I see.
That's actually a prime sunbathing spot too.
Too bad you can't flip over and get the other side.
You know.
It's permanently burned back.
Oh, still. Oh, I thought I had to hit my ball on the stroke.
Thanks for clearing out the landmines.
Let me get up. Let me get up, goddammit.
Let him get up. Let him get up.
Ah!
Bastard!
How did my ball get over here?
That helped.
Oh!
Oh no, somebody just banished Dave to the fucking Shadow Realm.
Yep. Good.
Yes, Barry, can you get up higher?
Can we get
Wait.
much higher?
I don't think I can.
Saying that with a mouthful of vape, I regret it. Oh
I don't know a
fuck.
guy named Vape.
Huh?
5, 4,
How'd you meet a guy named Vape? That's
2,
crazy.
1, go! Nice.
I mean, it was love at first sight, you know? I love skipping like a little child in this game. La 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 la.
Wow, Undisputed. Fuck you.
Oh yeah, he's been targeting me. La 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 la. Hey, bye. You a bitch. Oh, that was right next to the hole.
Come on, give me a chip in.
Bitch.
Oh.
Dave? Dave, no. You're a whore. Get him, Dave, get him.
Uh-oh. 10 seconds.
The enemy of my enemy is my friend.
God, I got
Out of there.
Excuse me.
Okay, it was fun. Have a good one, everyone.
All right, thanks for playing.
Nice shot.
Alright, I gotta head out.
Alrighty.
It was nice playing with you, man.
Well, thank you for playing, man.
Hope to see you around sometime.